Hi everyone, welcome to Salesforce Big Thumb. This is an introductory video of our channel where we will be talking about what exactly is Salesforce Big Thumb all about. So let's dive in. So what exactly is Salesforce Big Thumb? So we define Salesforce Big Thumb as a community of Salesforce professionals and aspirants to learn and grow in their career. So what is the vision of Salesforce Big Thumb? What we gonna do? Let's find out. So we notice that there is a huge gap between the knowledge level of a graduate student, whereas what the industry standards are in order to get a great job in the Salesforce ecosystem. So our target is to minimize this gap so that students can get started and excel in their career in Salesforce ecosystem. Everyone needs guidance in some point in his career. We at Salesforce Big Thumb aim to impart knowledge and share experiences which will definitely be useful in taking the correct decisions in your career. And third, give back to the society. Yeah, right, Goody. That's what Salesforce also believes in. So, how are we gonna do all of this? Let's find out. So first we have our YouTube channel where we will be regularly posting videos starting from the very basics of Salesforce. So stay tuned and subscribe if you have not done it till now. Next, we do have a website, salesforcebigthumb.com, where we post great blogs. So do give them a read. You can also follow us on our socials to get notified of every new video and blog. And apart from that, we also do have some great posts, so do check them out. At last, thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.